Hi everyone, this is Mr. Brown. I'm just going to give you a quick explanation on how to use Google Classroom on a laptop or a computer. So I have logged into my Google account. You will have to do that using your school email address. Students should know that. If they don't, then please just get in touch with us at school and we can get that to you. Once you've logged into Google, you have access to all of your Google accounts. So these 9 dots in the top corner, you can go straight to your Gmail or your Drive if you've got anything saved on your Drive. And Classroom is also a link there. So if you're on your Gmail, you'll see these 9 dots, click Classroom. Once you're on your Classroom, we've changed everything to be more streamlined. You'll see the subject name of each lesson. Providing you know your timetable, you can click on the subject that you're supposed to be learning at that time, click on Classroom, and this will look much more easily accessible for you all. So it'll be week beginning and then whatever week it is, and then it'll tell you when you should be doing the work. So obviously this one's been highlighted as a live lesson, so students will know that that's to be a live lesson. If for whatever reason you don't know your timetable, then you can always click on the calendar option here. As you can see, it's also here, and it will highlight when your lessons are to be done. This is obviously a test account, so it's only got the 2 options here. However, yours as a student should have 5 hours worth of work on each day all week. Okay. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us at remotelearning@aspire.fcat.org.uk.